It's Monica. I want to come on here and tell y'all about the dream I woke up with this morning at 9:11. Today is December 15, 2024. I wrote it down. Actually, I'll have the screenshots on the screen right here for you to see. I typed it up first, and then I'm just getting to writing it down. I'm going to read it to you. It goes like this. For some reason, we were cleaning up my granny's house. And she lives nearby. She's elderly, but this hasn't happened or taken place, so I don't know exactly what it's about. My granny wanted us to all come clean up her house, maybe for spring cleaning. And we were taking items home with us that she didn't want anymore, taking up space. When we walked through her door, all the Santa Claus knickknacks were gone, and she collected so much Santa Claus. Her entire house was done in Santa Claus and nutcrackers, and she never took it down. It was year round. But in this dream, all her Santa Claus was taken down and all the nutcrackers were taken down. We were going through the toys at this point. Granny called me into the kitchen dining room, and it's butted up to the living room with no wall. And she assigned me to clean up the back right room down the hallway. This room had a huge ball pit in it. Only in my dream. It doesn't actually have a ball pit in it. It was only in my dream. The bag was one of those huge see-through zip-up bags like a comforter set comes in. But it was huge. Ginormous bag. I've never seen one this big. I started putting all the colorful balls to the ball pit into this bag, and then my dream flashed, and I went into a dream that I've been having reoccurring, and I'll have to find the date I first started having this dream, but this is like the fourth time I've had this reoccurring dream. It's my husband and I cleaning up a house that was given to us. I don't know who gives us this house, where this house is, what state, no clue. But we're cleaning up this house and rearranging furniture items to make more space, to move more stuff in. Like we were doing it in a hurry. And since I'm a fast-paced worker, I took charge of that because I like interior decorating. And then it flashed back to my granny's house, to that dream, okay? So it's almost like we left my granny's house and went and took all the furniture we wanted to our new house that was given to us, and now we're going back to my granny's house. And I found myself walking down the hallway to the back right room. The ball pit had a huge blow-up pool, which was deep blue in color. It took most of the room. It took up most of the room because it was so huge. I found the pool half inflated by my cousin, Sidney, while she was trying to pack up the ball pit in place of me. Her sister Sunnie was asking her, "Why do you want the ball pit when you have no children?" And I walked into the room, and my dream ended. I don't know what it means, who exactly it's for. Take it to the Lord. Try and test the spirit. At 9:14, as I was typing up all of this dream on my phone, Maverick suddenly woke up and he asked, "Why are the doctors scared of apples and fruit?" They are scared of healthy fruit. They're scared because they might lose their job. No clue. I asked him, was this a dream you had? He said, no, it's just a thought. So maybe he's heard that phrase, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but he's saying they're going to lose their jobs and they don't like fruit because healthy fruit is what causes them to lose their job. Y'all have a blessed and breezy day. Bye.